Hello, good morning. My name is Khairi Aldiansyah and my friends.
My name is Nina Irina.
Resident and mall visitor luckily there were no fatalities or injuries because in this incident all the mall visitors were inside the mall. However, in this incident the roof of the Suzuya Mall fell on a parked pickup car and
What is the current condition of the mall? And we have joined workers with our colleague Divina. Hello, good morning Divina. What is the current condition of Suzuya Mall?
Now I'm at the location and we can also prove the current condition in the Suzuya Mall. The roof of which has collapsed. Now I will ask one of the local residents about this incident.
In my opinion, this incident occurred because of the strong wind that hit the city of Matan Siantar. Because the roof of the Suzuya Merdeka Mall burst. In the beginning, we heard news about there being problem with the quality of this mall building. In fact, several parties have warned about this.